Guys, it's me. I got the area cleaned up. I'm gonna open this other package I got. When I was looking on eBay, for parts for this one. That's when I bought that one, but this one was in my suggested for you list. It was $40, and it's a newer monitor to that one. It's a little newer, and the guy said sounded like thunder. Oh well. The guy said this one will come on for about 2 seconds and it'll go off. 90% of the time, that's going to be an issue with these caps here. This one is another project I'm recently in the process of doing. These two caps are blown. This one will come on for about a second and it'll go off. So we're going to open this one now. And the guy laminated this motherfucker. I don't think the excess lamination was needed. Most people just buy a new monitor when they're stopped working. I don't. I like to try to fix them if possible. You save money by fixing them, and I know how to do it too. So, now this one came just like this. Apparently this is the original box for it too. Usually they can just throw it in the box and say, here you go. Oh, dokey.